You're excited, you want to start your online business, but you don't know which product to sell. You're confused. Trust me guys, you are not alone. In this video, we'll be talking about few of the highest globally trending products, and I'm sure this will help you shortlist few of those products for your online business. So without any further ado, let's kick off this episode. Welcome friends to the new episode, and I'm your host Rahul Pamija. Recently, Shopify, one of the largest e-commerce platform in the world, published a list of top trending global products, and today we'll be discussing few of those products in this episode. These products have a global order growth rate from 1500% to 23,000% year over year. So without any further ado, let's review the list. Number 10 in the list, cabinet knobs and handles. In COVID, a lot of home improvement projects happen, and when you talk about home improvement projects, people usually renovate their kitchen or their bathrooms, and you need cabinets and knobs everywhere. Cabinets knob has over 3,760% year over year growth. So that's your number 10. Number 9 in the list, guys, curtain and drape rings, 4,400% growth year over year. Again, continuing with the home improvement theme, you need curtain and drapes, you need in your living room, you need in your bathroom, you need them everywhere. So that's another top trending product on Shopify platform. Number 8 in the list, baby shirts. Cute baby shirt, shark baby shirts, custom baby shirts. You can design your own baby shirts. Baby shirts are another hot trending product category. So maybe you can be, when you start your online business, you can get creative, you can make your own designer baby shirts, and that could be your thing. So number 8 in the list is baby shirt with over 5,000% year over year growth. Number 7 in the list, wall plates and covers. Yes, wall plates and covers, you heard me right. Close to 6,000% year over year growth. People are buying these wall plates and covers, decorative wall plates, screwless wall plates, luxury wall plates. So that's another product category you can explore. Number 6 in the list with over 7,000% year over year growth are slip covers. There are many different types of slip covers available in different fabric, different sizes. So you can create your own niche. You can partner with interior designers, you can partner with home organization companies, and you can sell these products online. So look into it, another category to explore. Number 5 in the list, and my second favorite, you have to wait for my first favorite, and those are short glasses. They're 8,000% year over year growth. Short glasses are pretty interesting category. I mean, there could be many different types of short glasses, right? Collectible short glasses, designer short glasses, custom made short glasses, tequila short glasses, tall short glasses. There are many different ways, and folks do buy them a lot. So take a look. This could be another category which you can think about to start your online business. Number 4 in the list, laptop batteries. We all have laptops, we work on them day in, day out, and these batteries wear off. So laptop batteries is seeing over 8,300% year over year growth. So that's another category which is pretty popular right now on Shopify. Number 3 in the list, costume shoes. And I won't lie, I didn't even know it's even a thing. But it's almost close to 9,000% year over year growth in this category. Adults, kids, they are buying these shoes. Gladiator sandals, witch boots, clown boots, superhero boots, folks are buying them. And it's a pretty hot category, guys, so do look into it. It's time to talk about number 2 category, and my favorite, dog toys. Who doesn't love dogs? And these toys are essential part of their well-being. With toys, dogs are more cheerful, more playful, they don't get bored. And there are several different types of toys which you can sell online. They have chew toys, they have rope toys, training toys, and many more. 13,300% growth rate year over year. That's the category you absolutely want to explore. Now it's time to talk about number one category, and I know you all have been waiting for this category. Let me tell you this. This category has seen 23,000% year over year growth. This category is also driven by home improvement projects. Any guesses? It's power tools, compact drills, impact drawers, sanders, polishers, saw. Folks are buying these tools. With the increase in number of home improvement and DIY projects, power tool, it became the number one on our list. Clearly, products related to home improvements dominate the list by far. But if none of these products interest you, then there were few other products in the list, and those were motor vehicle parts, wedding dresses, signage, model train sets, tumbler, table runner. So maybe you can look at those products as well. So pretty interesting list, guys, huh? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and I'll be back with new episode, new topic. Till then, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.